for a minute and a half to allow the Minister time to respond. The economic impact from the COVID outbreak has already been unprecedented. Many businesses up and down the country have had to close their doors in order to adhere to public health advice to combat the spread of the virus. Minister, many supports, as you have outlined, have been put in place, with 590,000 receiving pandemic unemployment and 452,000 employees receiving income supports under the wage subsidy scheme. Everyone realises this is not sustainable, and the objective now, adhering to health and safety guidelines, is to get our economy back to work. Minister, I was disappointed that the roadmap did not include any clear timeframe for manufacturing that's not deemed essential. Many businesses closed now for 7 to 8 weeks may not be deemed essential during a pandemic. However, they are deemed essential in the economy and to the region they are based in. Many businesses are worried that if they have to wait for the various phases, they may not be able to reopen. In Waterford, for example, we have the lowest number that contacted the virus per population county by county. We currently have 1 case being treated in University Hospital Waterford, and I want to thank everyone for their great work. But, Minister, my question is there a possibility on a case-by-case basis, maybe a regional or a county basis, depending on all the guidelines being adhered to, that some manufacturing businesses may be able to open sooner than the recommended roadmap in order to be viable and to secure the future of their business, who really feel it necessary to open to compete with other competitors worldwide that are open? Thank you.
With that question from Deputy Butler.
Butler's question there. Thank you, Cancora. Just to say that it is up to businesses to review the roadmap carefully and carry out a detailed assessment of their activities with regard to the continuing public health measures. It is not necessary for business to seek official authorisation to open, but businesses should review the national return to work guidelines, and that sets out the steps where businesses need to take. And can I just say that we're only at the very early stages of returning to work, and we must be cautious, but we will be keeping the roadmap under review. And I know there's particular issues you have raised with me offline, Deputy, and I hope to be in a position to try and resolve some of those issues next week.
Thank you. Deputy Joe Flaherty.